Welcome to the PlanLab Retirement Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to the product are available in the description below. In this video, I'll go over the key features of the PlanLab Retirement Tool, who it's designed for, and how it performs in real-life scenarios. PlanLab is a comprehensive retirement planning solution that's built specifically for financial advisors and professionals who require a high level of customization and detail. This tool is designed for those who need to create tailored, client-specific retirement strategies, making it ideal for advisors who manage complex financial situations or work with clients at different stages of their financial journey. One of PlanLab's standout features is its detailed scenario analysis capability. Advisors can create multiple scenarios to evaluate how different factors, such as changes in investment returns, life expectancy, or spending habits, impact retirement outcomes. This level of customization allows for precise planning and adjustments based on individual client needs. It's particularly useful for those who want to offer a personalized retirement plan that considers various contingencies, ensuring that clients are well prepared for different financial futures. PlanLab's interface, while more data-heavy, is designed to give professionals the information they need without unnecessary complexity. The reports generated are clear and visually appealing, providing both detailed data for the advisor and easy-to-understand summaries for the client. With advanced features like Monte Carlo simulations, tax-efficient withdrawal strategies, and estate planning integration, PlanLab offers a full suite of tools to ensure comprehensive retirement guidance. For financial advisors, one of the best aspects of PlanLab is its collaboration capability. The software makes it easy to involve clients in the planning process with tools that allow for client portals, secure document sharing, and real-time updates. This makes it not just a planning tool, but also a client relationship management platform, enhancing communication and transparency between advisor and client. In conclusion, PlanLab is ideal for financial professionals who need a detailed, client-specific retirement planning tool. It's designed to handle complex scenarios, making it an excellent choice for those working with clients who have diverse financial goals and situations. For more details or to explore PlanLab further, check out the links in the description.